Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Realize Guyana. So look what we have here, some chana. We just boiled. We're gonna be making some chana and potato curry today with some rice. We're also gonna be making some roti. We have some flour there. So we already finished pressuring the chana, and we're gonna go empty this now and get going. So stay tuned. So how are you guys doing? What's happening? What's happening? So we're mixing up our curry powder, garam masala, jeera, and our turmeric there for the curry. Adding some oil to our karahi here. Karahi has been heating up for a little bit. And as you can see, we have our rice going already. So the curry and the roti is left. Alright, our oil is hot. In goes the onion. Sorry, taste is in here now. So after about 2 minutes, your curry is gonna start bubbling up like this here. It's cooked. So now we're gonna bunjay the potatoes and the chana together. So as you see there, we already pressured the chana some. So now that should cook at the same time with the potatoes. Or you can also cook it, maybe you don't have a pressure cooker. You can cook it in a karahi, you cook the chana first and then you add the potatoes later. Salt to taste. So as usual guys, the ingredients and measurements will be below the video in the description box. Should you want to make this dish for your family. Moving a little forward. So we're gonna let our potato and our chana bunjay. Alright guys, so our chana potatoes were doing there for a bit, and now we're gonna add some water. As you see, the chana doesn't release a lot of water like meat does, so it doesn't need so much boiling time. So this was not too long, so it's time to add the water here now. So that's good there. So we're just gonna cover this and let it boil. I will check back on it a little bit later. So time to mix the flour for the roti. So time to make up the roti loaves now. Alright. So our curry is bubbling away there. And our rice is finished. So we're gonna go strain this now. Checking on this now. Giving this a turn. Make the roti now. So we've strained the rice, the curry is cooking still, so we got some time to make up the roti loaves now. So you just need a rough roll here to make up the loaves. Just roll it out big enough to get the oil there and make up the loaves. There you go. So we're gonna finish off all the rest. Show you just one more. Just a rough roll, not too big. Not at the size you would make your roti, smaller. There you go. Alright, see you in a bit. So we have done with all the loaves, so you're gonna cover it with some plastic wrap or towel or damp towel or whatever for it not to dry out, basically. That's why you're covering it. You guys know this needs to be sitting and resting for about 20 minutes before you cook the roti. Before you start bailing and cook the roti, right? Makes the roti softer that way. Alright guys, so our chana and potato curry is done. There are potatoes now. Smelling yummy too guys. Delicious vegetarian dish. So we have recipes for everybody here. Meat dishes, fish dishes, vegetarian dishes like this one here. So that's it for the chana and potato guys. Our rice is strained as you can see, so we're gonna go make the roti now. So it's time to cook the oil roti now. There's the first one going on there. Yes guys, so we're gonna be eating good, delicious meal today. A veg meal. So there you go, first one down. Prepare the next one. Check that out, guys. Okay, so we are done here. Roti is done as well. Everything's done now. So we have our chana and potato curry here. We have our rice and we have our roti. Our very soft, fluffy roti. A little piece of roti for you guys. And some of the chana curry. And look at the roti. As you can see when you're talking about the layers, it's like the entire layer of the roti separates, not just a little piece. So dig in here. A little piece of potato, chana curry, and the chana. There you go. Wow, so flavorful, delish. This would go with rice just as good, and it's really delicious. Believe me. This is our simple, delicious vegetarian meal today. One of many that you can find on our channel here at Realize Guyana. So thank you once again for spending the time with us. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for spending the time with us, guys. Take care. Bye. See you later.